Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is 9th March 21. It's day 4 and week 7 of our live trading series. You can see in the right side window, Sensex is above almost 350 point. India VIX is down by almost 6%, which is a good sign for the market. And if Bank Nifty is above almost 525 point and Nifty 50 is above almost 100 point. And if I'm talking about my position, I have bought 35,700 call 50 shares 2 lot. Then I sold 36,200 call 6 lot and bought 36,700 call 4 lot. It's a ratio butterfly, or you can say the advanced butterfly and the ratio is 132. The maximum profit in that strategy would be 25,000 and the maximum loss would be 25,000. And one more thing guys, I have squared off my last position which I have carried from yesterday, because I think I believe that I will not be able to recuperate all my losses in that position. You can see in my M2M it's almost 9,000, so that's why I thought that that position will not work. And yes, tomorrow is also a expiry day, so that's why I have just squared off that position. So let's see what will happen till the evening or till the closing time. So please keep watching. Thank you so much. Hi guys, welcome back. It's a closing time of the market, and you can see in my M2M it is almost 6500. So I have recovered almost 2500 today, and I think that position will work tomorrow also. So that's why I'm not changing my position, and let's see what will happen tomorrow. So please keep watching guys. Thank you so much.